the problem for the LEETCODE 75, right? We have just solved the problem from the prefix sum. Now we are taking the problem from hash map. First problem from the hash map. The question is find the difference of two arrays, right? This is an easy type of question. Topics are of course hash table and array. Question is given two zero indexed array num1 and num2, return a list answer of size 2 where answer 0 is the list of all distinct integers in num1 which are not present in num2. Okay, answer 1 is list of all distinct integer in num2 which are not present in num1. Okay, so num1 is 1 2 3 and num2 is 2 4 6, right? Let's see. Okay, let's see. This is the case. So answer will be a 2D array in which so answer 0 is all the distinct integer in num1 which are not present in num2. All the distinct integer in num1 which are not present in num2. Okay, so is 1 is present in num2? No. So 1 will be added. 2 is present here? Yes. 3 is present? No. So this is answer to 0. Similarly, answer 1 is all the distinct integer in num2 which is not present in num1. So all the distinct integer in num2 which is not present in num1. So this is 2 is present? Yes. 4 is present? No. 6 is present? No. So this is the output. Okay, discuss its approach or a native approach, which is I think the most optimized approach. No, of course no. So native approach. Okay, so intuition is I think this is the case. Intuition is iterate for creating creating answer 0, right? We have to iterate row UGH through num1 and take each element and then after considering we have to iterate through num2 and check if the element is present in num2 or not. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So what I'm saying is take 1 first and check if it is present in num2. So if yes, if no, then add it to a array. Take 2 and check it in the num2. It is present, then take 3. Then check it in num2. So it is not present. Append it to the array and yes, and that's it. Similarly, do it with the num2. So this is the native approach which we can do. Its time complexity is of course, as we have to iterate through, as we are using 2 loops. So this is the time complexity is gonna be n square, and the space complexity is we are not using any variable space, so the space complexity is 1. So this is a native approach which of course we don't want to use, right? So let's talk about the optimized solution of the hash approach. using hash table. So as you guys see, as you guys can also see that for checking this, that one is present in this array or not, we have to iterate through all the array. So can we just use something to make this possible, that okay, if we want to check that one is available and one is present in this array or not, we can check it using nothing, I mean without iterating. That is what I'm saying. So yes, we can do it. We can do it using hash table. So what hash table is, so what is hashing? So hashing creates a hash table using which we can find anything in. So hash table is a data structure which helps us to find the element in open time complexity, right? See, so hashing is a technique used in a data structure that efficiently store and retrieve data in a way that is quickly accessible. So the great thing about the hashing is we can achieve all three operations such as search, insert and delete in open time complexity. So we want search operation. So the search operation is possible using open time complexity. So what we are going to do, make hash table of num1 and num2, right? Now second, iterate through num1 and search in the hash table of num2. Similarly with the num2 wala case, fourth. So yes, this is all we gonna do. This will make a time complexity, this will reduce our time complexity to O(n), because we are gonna iterate through num1 only, and search is gonna happen in open time complexity. Here search was happening in O(n) time complexity. That's why the O(n) square time complexity was there, but we reduced our time complexity to O(n). Of course, space complexity is increased and it become O(n) because we are making a hash table which contains the n elements, right? Okay, now so hash1 is equals to set, hash2 is equals to, is also a set for I in hash1, for I in num1, h1 dot add I. Similarly for I in nums2, h2 dot add I, right? Now answer is equals to, no, the answer is an empty array right now for I, and temp is also an empty array. I in nums1, if, or check if I in is h1 dot okay, if I in h1, so set is also a type of a hash, right? So okay, if you want to use hash, so Python, let's see, Okay, let's ignore. So if I not in right, if I is not in present in has of number, so we should use has to, because if I is not in present in has of h2, temp dot append I, right? After this operation, answer dot append temp, again temp is a for I in nums2, if I not in has1, if I is not in present in the has of num1, temp dot append, we are appending I, and then we answer dot append temp, return answer. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Okay, so we should use only, so instead of num1 we use h1, because this is, so I am using h1 is equals to set only contains the unique elements, right? And also, so that's why we have to use, we want to use unique elements, right? So set only contains the unique elements. And now let's see. Yeah, this is getting passed. Submit. Yeah, this is passed. Now let's see the better approach. Okay, this is using set result1 result2. So similar thing we are doing. Okay, so we are just using these two loops, which we should not use. Num1, so nums2. Let's see. Guys, so this is the best approach. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I will share this solution with you in the comment section. If you have if you want to say something, if you want to share something, you can share in the comment section also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience. Thank you.